Merry Christmas, Aunt Linda.
The scary part, mascara. You don't want to stab yourself. It's 6:52 and Mom says we can go at 8, so we're all gonna wait. Abby's still sleeping. I tried to wake Eve up, but she wouldn't get up. We got Eve. Guess what, Evie? Santa came.
I don't think he came.
Yes, he did.
She did.
Yeah, but our stockings are not full.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are.
Come on. She wants to open presents in the afternoon.
Just let her go. Just let her go.
No, she's coming with us.
No, she's not.
Abby.
3,
2, 1. Ready?
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Hey, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
It's 7 o'clock. We waited like you asked. Where's Eve? There she is. Kind of late. She got there.
Oh, who set off the burglar alarms?
That was me.
What
I
did you?
let Nolly out. She was barking and jumping up and down.
My great Aunt Linda is coming over today, and if you know her at all, you know that she loves Christmas and she looks forward to it starting the day after Christmas all the way until the next year. And so she always likes to ask, what did you get me? And last year we didn't have anything for her, but I have managed to find two things we could give her, and my wrapping is terrible, but I hope she enjoys it, and hopefully she'll like it. Hello.
Oh,
We were thinking, we gotta get her a present. You know, what can we find to wrap for her? All right, are you ready to open your present? Okay, open this one first.
a knife in there. Oh, she got it.
Don't eat them in one day.
I'm not gonna.
You're gonna give half those to Grandpa.
Merry Christmas, Aunt Linda.
Okay guys, I've been looking forward to this day for years. Not because it's Christmas, that is good too, but because I get to teach Abby how to wear makeup. You know what this is, right?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
It's chapstick.
Okay, what is this?
It's blush.
I think it's blush too. I don't really know, but I think it's blush. Do you know what this is? Okay, open it up. That is eyeshadow.
Okay.
Okay, and it's very neutral, so that's very good. Okay, this is perfume.
Okay.
It's like roll-on. And we got mascara. That's fun. And we've got some lip colors and another thing of eyeshadow. So first, since you don't have any concealer or foundation or anything, we'll start with the blush.
Okay.
So get the blush. Now, you're not gonna like rub it in it, you're just gonna kind of sweep it.
Okay.
Yep, just right along the bone right there.
Okay.
No, up. You're gonna move up, like that.
Okay. It's so important that you move up.
No, not like that along the bone. You follow the bone and you go on a diagonal line. Good job. Eyeshadow is always the hardest part. I would say use the thicker, wider side for this. You can pick a color and just don't get too much on the brush. Now close your, oh, that's a lot. Okay, now close your eyes and just kind of sweep it.
Okay.
Try not to get more by your eyebrows. Try to get on your eyelid. And we'll blend it up at the top. You move it back and forth to kind of blend it. Cute. Okay, now it's not super obvious, but that's good because you're still young. The scary part, mascara. When I was your age, I didn't put it on my bottom eyelashes, so don't put it on your bottom. Do you know what you're doing?
Nope. Oh, I don't.
So you don't want to stab yourself. I'll help you with it. You're not gonna like close your eyes and you're not gonna blink completely. You're just gonna kind of half close them, so half close them. Cute, your eyelashes are just so long. Can you tell the difference?
My eyelashes are longer.
They're really pretty. Lip colors. This is a super light neutral. This is super bright. And this is just a little stain. So let's do the stain. So why don't you open it up? I always start just kind of outlining the top. And you don't want to use too much. You should put chapstick on. put chapstick on before you put lipstick on. Check up close to see if it goes outside the lip. And you can kind of put your finger right there to make sure. Let me see you. Pretty! Do you like it? Mm-hmm. Can you tell the difference? Mm-hmm. You're pretty, Abby. Okay guys, we are going to finish off the evening by watching Home Alone because we haven't watched that movie for years, and for some reason we're just deciding to watch it now on Christmas. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Today was a super fun day. It was fun to spend time with family and just open gifts and see what everybody got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next video. Bye.